Good morning and welcome to Andrea Speaks TV. I'm your host, Andrea, bringing you commentary you can use. All right, y'all. So this morning, I want to bring you some stock market news. As I was checking my stock portfolio this morning, I found out that one of the companies that I'm actually invested in, is doing very, very well this morning. And I wanted to share this information with you. So this morning, I want to come to you and talk to you about a company called Jumia. Now, Jumia, with the ticker symbol JMIA. Okay. What I'm about to share with you is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am sharing information with you just in case you want to do your own research and you make your own decision if you would like to invest in this company. But Jumia is a company that I have been invested in quite some time now. I first purchased this stock back in 2020 when it was very, very low. Since that time, I have sold shares of Jumia back when it got much higher, and I am still invested in it today. So, as I was doing research to figure out, okay, why is Jumia doing so, just taking off this morning, I found that Jumia has announced a partnership with UPS. So, I'm coming here to bring you some information. First of all, I want to say thank you all so much for your support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed already, join our community. And I appreciate your support so much. All right, y'all. So this news comes from Bloomberg. I have just a few sources this morning. I want to start with some information from Bloomberg. And the title of the article says the U.S. deliveries giant UPS plans Africa push with Jumia deal. So let me bring you all some information on that. Okay, now, United Parcel Services Incorporated, that's UPS, agreed to a partnership with Jumia Technologies AG that will see the U.S. deliveries giant use the Pan-African e-commerce firm's distribution network to expand on the continent. The article also goes on to say that the deal will enable the Atlanta-based company, that being UPS, to build a greater presence in a number of African markets and tap into an anticipated boom in online retail. Renzo Bravo, head of strategy for the Indian subcontinent, Middle East, and Africa, said in an interview. So I have to tell you all now, remember I said I first invested in Jumia back in 2020 during the pandemic. And what caused me to become interested in Jumia is that I actually read an article that referred to the company Jumia as potentially being the Amazon of Africa. So when I found that out, when I read that, I'm like, okay, wait a minute. Let me put, a few dollars and see how it goes. And I can say that, it has been very good. The company itself, and you can do your own research, the company itself has had some challenges with trying to grow and expand, like many companies. And so I'm wondering if this new partnership with UPS will be the deal that will actually take Jumia to the next level. Okay. But I'm definitely going to be paying attention to it. All right. So let me continue on with the article. You all let me know your thoughts about this partnership. Jumia partners with UPS. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, y'all. So let's keep going. Okay. Now, here's a quote by Bravo. It says, "We believe that Africa has the potential to reach about $180 billion in online trade by the year 2025. Okay. The quote also goes on to say that will enable growth in commerce, not only across Africa, but also from the continent to the world and from the world to Africa." So you got to think about it, y'all. Since the pandemic, many people have been doing online shopping, which, gives the opportunity for many businesses to turn to online platforms to reach many customers. As many people during the pandemic, as many people were, even now, there are some parts of the world where people are actually again on lockdown. And if people cannot go out and shop, for whatever reason, then they would have to, then some people choose to use online shopping as an option. So, this company is saying that they see a lot of potential in this partnership. And it says we believe that Africa has the potential to reach around $180 billion in online trade by the year 2025. Okay. So not only will that enable growth in commerce, not only across Africa, but also from the continent to the world and from the world to Africa. Now, the article continues by saying for Jumia, the deal will enable the Berlin-based firm to make use of UPS's network across 220 countries and territories to help users deliver their packages, according to Senior Vice President of Logistics. Okay. The collaboration between Jumia and UPS will start in Nigeria, Morocco, and Kenya with the aim to add more countries, he said. Now, the companies didn't provide financial terms of the deal, so that hasn't been made public as of yet. Now, let's talk about e-commerce challenges. Okay. According to Bloomberg, Jumia was founded by two French entrepreneurs in 2012. So the company is, if it hasn't already turned 10 years old, it's about 10 years old and has about 8 million customers. All right. The group has aimed to take the lead in e-commerce on a continent that is increasingly connected, though challenges still include a relatively low internet penetration and difficulties with mapping, including in major cities like Lagos. Okay. Now, I also did some research. I'll be sharing this information in another episode, but I did see where I believe it was Google made a very significant investment in providing, I believe, internet services to the continent of Africa. But I'm going to do some more research and bring you that information in a separate video. Okay. All right. Now, let's see. Okay, here's a quote. It says, with Jumia's logistics business, we have managed to build up a fleet and delivery network on the continent that holds some value for an international courier giant like UPS. Okay. Now, UPS and Jumia remain in discussions about plans such as rollout of co-branded pickup stations, they said. Okay. Now, you can also you can do an internet search. Yahoo Finance is also reporting that UPS partners with Jumia to expand its logistics services in Africa. It says the leading Pan-African e-commerce platform and the world's premier package delivery company will join forces to expand delivery services for businesses and consumers across the continent. Okay, so just in case you want to do your research on that. Okay, now I did get some information from Charles Schwab, which is also a bank as well as an investment firm. And the previous close for Jumia stock, the previous close was $9.48. Today's open price was $10.49. And as of the time of this video, right now it's 11:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to go in my portfolio again and check the current price. You know, of course, it changes by the second, but let me see what the current price of Jumia is. Okay. Thank you all so much, those who are tuned in now, or if you're watching by replay. Let me know how you feel about this news. Are you invested in Jumia stock? Do you own Jumia stock? If not, do you plan on doing your research to learn more about the company and possibly make an investment and purchase stock? Okay. So as of right now, and this is according to Charles Schwab, I see that the price is up today 30.06%. And right now it's at $12.33. So that's an increase of $2, it says, and 85 cents. Okay. Now, just to give you a little bit more information, this is according to Charles Schwab, the 52-week range, the 52-week low of Jumia Technologies AG. Again, the ticker symbol is JMIA. I have it right here on the screen for you in case you would like to do your research. The 52-week low stock price is $6.41, and the 52-week high is $40.37. Okay, so let me know your thoughts and comments. Do you believe that this new partnership between Jumia and UPS is just what Jumia needs to finally take off and become this big powerhouse global e-commerce platform? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So thank you all so much for tuning in and watching Andrea Speaks TV. If you found this information to be helpful and useful, please make sure you like the video, leave me some feedback, comment below. And also, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So thank you all so much. I appreciate you for tuning in. Again, this has been another episode with me, Andrea of Andrea Speaks TV. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.